Hold up. Alright, ask her.
Hello there. And today on Tutor Time, we're going to learn about numbers. The 10 numbers that we use are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We use 10 numbers because we use base 10 because we have 10 digits on our hands, 5 digits on each hand or paw, as the case may be. Okay?
Wait. I only have 3 fingers.
Okay.
I have 5 on each paw.
I got 5.
Wait, am I the only one here with 3 fingers?
Looks that way, don't it?
This is outrageous. This is unfair. Rah!
Run away!
Oh no. Honey ran away and he left something.
Is that what I think it is?
Yeah.
Yep, that's crap.
Uh-oh. Call the janitor. Oh, what are you doing? No,
Oh.
don't eat that.
Oh, wow.
That's bad for you.
That is savory.
Sorry about that, folks. Got a little excited there, and when that happens, I kind of poop a little.
Oh, okay, well, let's get the janitor and then we'll continue the class.
Janitor!
Janitor, call the janitor.